I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful hydrangea bouquet that lasts. When picking your hydrangeas, make sure you have watered them the night before. Nothing worse than trying to cut flowers with drought-stressed hydrangeas. With hydrangeas, you actually want to select older stems. And when you cut them, cut a nice long stem and cut at a 45-degree angle. The young flowers are beautiful, but they will wilt. Cut your flowers early in the morning, and as soon as you cut them, dunk them in a bucket of water. Choose your colors for your bouquet. You can always go with all white, white and green, or you can bring in some accent colors like these beautiful yellow echinacea or the verbena bonariensis. You want to strip all of the leaves, anything that is going to be under the water, to reduce bacteria buildup. Cut on a 45-degree angle and cut up the stem. Hydrangeas also absorb water through their petals, so if your hydrangeas shrivel a little bit, you can actually take them and dunk them either in cool water in a sink or in a bucket and leave them there for about a half an hour and shake them off, put them in another, do a recut, put them in another container of tepid water, and they will plump back up. Cut your accent flowers nice and long, remove the greens, and dunk in the water. Once you've picked your bucket of flowers and they're nestled into some nice cold water, you let them sit for at least a couple of hours to get acclimatized before you make your bouquet. So start with your large flowers and make sure as you're putting them together you're going to cross the stems, and apologies to any florists out there, I'm a beginner at this. And you start with your big flowers first, and you want to keep looking, make sure that it's balanced and adjust it if it's not to your liking. And then when you add another accent color, for example, I want some of this verbena in here in the center for me, then you do the verbena next and then grab them at the bottom. I really like to put an elastic around because it holds the bouquet nice and tight. I find if I just put it in my jar, they tend to flop open. And you make the bouquet really nice and tight and it'll stay put. You make any adjustments at that point. If you need to recut, you want all of these stems to be the same length and at a 45-degree angle. Make sure that you mist your bouquet every day. It will help to keep your hydrangea blossoms perky. You want to also change the water every day. That's the single best way to keep everything looking fresh. Bacteria gets into the water, you get the slimy stems, and they don't take up any of the water. So if you want to clean the water, recut the stems, and mist multiple times a day, you're actually going to have a really long-lasting hydrangea bouquet. It's just cute and I had fun making it.